Okay, problem number 10. We put a little twist on this one. We've given you the circumference of 44.92 meters, and we do not know what our diameter is, so the diameter is unknown. So this is just like when we were solving for the radius. We go ahead and we do the same type of thing. We go ahead and put in our formula. Like the radius, when we didn't know that, but we need the circumference here, we don't know the diameter, we do know the circumference. The formula is the same that I had when I was solving for the circumference with the diameter. C equals pi times d. I go ahead and put that in. I plug in the values that I know, so I know my circumference. So C is replaced with 44.92 equals 3.14, which is pi times d. Now, what I do is I look, what operation is happening? Multiplications. 3.14 times d. What's the inverse operation so I can solve for d? Well, if I'm multiplying, I need to divide 3.14 by both sides, which means in my calculator, I'm going to type in 44.92 divided by 3.14. That gives me 14.306 equals d. So I am going to round off and find my hundredths place, which is 2 places after the decimal point. If I look at, I have 0.306. I want to only have 2 places after the decimal, so I look at that third place. If it's 5 or higher, I round up. If it's 4 or lower, I round down. So it looks like I need to round up here, which means my answer is going to be D equals 14.31 meters. So make sure you do that before you copy and paste and look for that answer and put this picture in that answer where that answer is on that slide with the answer bank. Again, we didn't do anything different than when we had to solve for R. It's like a one-step equation. What we did, you've done this in 6th grade, you did this here in 7th grade, the unit before this unit. So this should all be familiar to you. In math, you're taking concepts and you're building on them. So not ever are you going to forget what you did in one unit and not use it again. You're always going to continue practicing all those things that you did before. Okay.